Are you looking for the best adjustable bed bases? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best adjustable bed bases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Adjustable queen-size bed with massage and USB ports. Get the ultimate sleeping experience with Best Choice Products ergonomic queen-size adjustable bed. The bed offers adjustable positions to suit your sleeping needs, including TV, head tilt, and zero-gravity preset positions. You can also customize your own positions. The bed comes with a customizable remote that allows you to adjust massage and positions, use the remote flashlight, and choose from wave, pulse, or constant massage modes. The bed also features independent head and foot incline for added comfort, a built-in bedside USB for charging your phone, a side pocket for storing your phone or remote, and night lights underneath for easy access to your slippers. The bed is compatible with various mattresses, including memory foam, gel foam, latex foam, and hybrid mattresses. What we like: easy setup process, sturdy and comfortable design, customizable presets available, handy underbed lighting, great value for the price. What we don't like: massage feature is noisy, heavy and difficult to maneuver. Number 2. AMADA Home Furnishing Adjustable Bed Frame. The AMADA adjustable bed frame offers a range of features designed for your comfort and convenience. With USB-A and USB-C ports on both sides, you can easily charge your devices while you relax. The underbed nightlight provides gentle illumination, allowing you to navigate your space without disturbing others. You can customize your sleep experience by adjusting the head up to 65 degrees and the feet up to 45 degrees, making it perfect for activities like reading or watching TV. Additionally, the relaxing massage feature, with multiple intensity levels, helps soothe muscle tension and enhance circulation, all controlled by a handy remote. What we like: easy assembly, multiple massage functions, adjustable positions, underbed lighting, good value for price. What we don't like: heavy to move, some assembly issues. Number 3. GOLDORO Adjustable Bed Base. The GOLDORO adjustable bed offers a customizable sleeping experience that enhances your comfort. You can independently adjust the head from 0 to 60 degrees and the foot from 0 to 40 degrees, allowing you to find the perfect position for relaxation or sleep. It features a powerful motor made from durable aluminum alloy, capable of lifting up to 550 pounds at the head and 350 pounds at the foot, ensuring reliable performance. This bed base is compatible with various mattress types, including memory foam and latex, making it easy to pair with your preferred mattress for optimal support. What we like: easy assembly, quiet operation, fits inside existing bed frame, heavy-duty construction, amazing zero-gravity feature. What we don't like: assembly takes some time. Instructions could be clearer. Number 4. Sweetcrispy Adjustable Bed Frame. The Sweetcrispy adjustable bed offers a unique zero-gravity sleep experience, allowing you to float comfortably while reducing stress and muscle tension. With the ability to elevate the head up to 60 degrees and the foot up to 40 degrees, this bed accommodates various sleeping positions, making it ideal for those with snoring issues or back pain. The wireless remote control provides easy access to adjust the bed's height, enhancing your comfort and convenience. Additionally, it supports various mattress types and features an easy assembly process, ensuring you can set it up without any hassle. What we like: great price, sturdy frame, no box spring needed, easy assembly. What we don't like: many pieces to assemble, no headboard attachment option. Number 5. Miscoos King-Size Adjustable Bed. The Miscoos adjustable bed base offers a blend of comfort and convenience for a restful night's sleep. With adjustable head and foot positions, you can easily find your perfect angle for reading or relaxing. The wireless remote control makes it simple to customize your settings without getting out of bed. Assembly is a breeze, taking around 30 minutes with clear instructions provided. This bed base is compatible with various mattress types, enhancing its versatility for your sleeping needs. Enjoy a durable, stylish design that elevates your bedroom aesthetic while providing the comfort you deserve. What we like: high-quality construction, easy assembly process, comfortable adjustable settings, affordable compared to competitors, smooth and quiet operation. What we don't like: heavy box for setup, motor control light always on.